BrassHalo is a prominent brand in the world of jewelry, specializing in brass ornaments, renowned for its high-quality craftsmanship and unique designs. BrassHalo offers a diverse range of products that are sure to captivate. BrassHalo takes pride in using only the finest materials and employing skilled artisans to create jewelry that is not only beautiful but also durable. The brand's collection primarily features brass jewelry, with a particular emphasis on brass beads and stunning cubic zirconia pendants. Each piece is carefully crafted to ensure that it meets the highest standards of quality. In conclusion, BrassHalo is a brand that stands for quality, style, and innovation. Explore their collection of brass jewelry and discover the perfect piece to enhance your own unique style. And with PandaHall as an authorized distributor, you can shop with peace of mind.